Welcome to this complete Madrid, Spain guide. Our first stop is the Prado Museum. Often hailed as one of the crown jewels of Madrid, the Prado Museum stands tall as one of the world's finest art galleries. With its hallowed halls housing an extensive collection of European art, it's a veritable feast for the eyes and the soul. Imagine being in the presence of masterpieces by the likes of Velázquez, Goya and El Greco, each painting telling a story of a bygone era. Velázquez's Las Meninas alone is worth the visit, as its enigmatic allure has intrigued art enthusiasts for centuries. And let's not forget Goya's The 3rd of May 1808, a haunting depiction of war and its aftermath. The Prado Museum truly is a treasure trove of art history, offering a glimpse into the past through the eyes of some of the greatest artists of all time. Moving on to our next destination. Next, we find ourselves at the magnificent Royal Palace of Madrid. This grandiose structure serves as the official residence of the Spanish royal family, but don't expect to bump into the king over tea. The palace is primarily used for state ceremonies, a fitting role given its regal air and stunning architecture. The palace boasts an impressive 3,418 rooms, each one a testament to the rich history and culture of Spain. The interior is a feast for the eyes, with sumptuous tapestries, ornate chandeliers and extravagant frescoes adorning the walls. Don't forget the vast gardens that surround the palace. These lush landscapes, filled with well-manicured hedges and vibrant flowers, create a sense of tranquility amidst the grandeur. And here's a fun fact. The Royal Palace of Madrid is the largest royal palace in Western Europe by floor area. Quite the feat, wouldn't you say? A royal treat indeed. Now let's head to a peaceful escape in the heart of the city. Welcome to the oasis of Madrid, the Retiro Park. This lush sanctuary in the heart of the bustling city has an intriguing history, having served as a retreat for Spanish monarchs in the 17th century. Today, it's a beloved public park, rich with beautiful gardens, stunning monuments, and a serene lake where one can row a boat under the Spanish sun. Among its many treasures is the Crystal Palace, a stunning glass pavilion that glistens like a jewel in the soft light of day. It's easy to lose track of time here as you wander amidst the roses, palm trees and cypress-lined pathways. You'll also find statues and fountains dedicated to Spain's rich mythological and royal past. And let's not forget the park's inhabitants, the peacocks. Their flamboyant display of colors is quite the spectacle, don't you think? A breath of fresh air, isn't it? But we're just getting started. From the calm of Retiro, we now step into the bustling Puerta del Sol. This is Madrid's vibrant heart, its most famous and central square. It's a place where you can really feel the pulse of this magnificent city. Now, you can't talk about Puerta del Sol without mentioning the iconic Tío Pepe sign. This neon marvel has been lighting up the square since the 1930s, a glowing testament to one of Spain's most popular sherries. It's a beacon of sorts, guiding locals and visitors alike to the lively atmosphere of this renowned gathering spot. Then there's the bear and the strawberry tree statue, a quirky yet beloved symbol of Madrid. This bronze sculpture captures a curious bear pawing at a strawberry tree, a delightful sight that's sure to bring a smile to your face. Puerta del Sol is more than just a square, it's a microcosm of Madrid's charm and energy, a vibrant spot pulsating with life. Time to explore a classic Madrid landmark. Welcome to the heart of Old Madrid, the Plaza Mayor. This grand square with its elegant architecture is a testament to Madrid's rich history. Imagine, if you will, a square that has seen the ebb and flow of life for over 4 centuries. From public executions during the Spanish Inquisition to bullfights and royal ceremonies, Plaza Mayor has been a silent witness to it all. Today, it's a bustling hub filled with cafes and restaurants, offering a delightful array of Spanish cuisine. Picture yourself sipping on a cup of rich Spanish coffee, or perhaps indulging in a delectable tapa, as the world of Madrid spins around you. The sounds of laughter, the clinking of glasses, the aroma of paella wafting in the air. It's a sensory symphony that encapsulates the spirit of Madrid, a charming spot that takes you back in time. But Madrid isn't all about the past. Let's turn the corner and walk into the modern Madrid, the Gran Vía. Now, this is not just any street, my friends. This bustling avenue, often referred to as the Spanish Broadway, is the heartbeat of Madrid's shopping scene. It's a paradise for those who appreciate the thrill of finding that perfect piece. But Gran Vía isn't just about shopping. No. It's a testament to Madrid's grand architecture, with buildings that tell tales of bygone eras. Each one, a story in stone, if you will. And as the sun sets, Gran Via comes alive with lights. It's the city's vibrant nightlife that truly takes the stage. Theatres, cinemas and restaurants all vying for your attention, each offering a unique slice of Madrid's lively culture. A shopper's paradise, but let's not forget Madrid's love for art. Our next stop is another art marvel, the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum. Nestled in Madrid's cultural heart, this museum is a treasure trove that guides us through 7 centuries of art history. The vast, diverse collection spans from the 13th to the 20th century, boasting an impressive array of artistic styles. Among its hallowed halls, you'll encounter the works of some of the art world's most celebrated masters. The museum houses masterpieces from the likes of Vincent van Gogh, Claude Monet and Edvard Munch, to name but a few. It's a journey through time, from the medieval period to the avant-garde movements of the early 20th century. And it's not just the classic European art that's remarkable here. The museum also houses an extensive collection of American art that's considered one of the best outside the United States. A feast for art lovers. Now, let's switch gears and head to a sports landmark. Welcome to the home of Real Madrid, the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium. This is more than just a football venue, it's an emblem of sporting history. A cathedral of dreams where legends are born and memories are etched into the heart of the pitch. It's one of the world's most famous football venues, and for good reason. Just imagine the roar of 80,000 spectators echoing through the stands, the thrill of witnessing a last-minute goal, the shared gasps and cheers. The stadium's trophy room is a glittering testament to the club's triumphs, a treasure trove of silverware that narrates Real Madrid's illustrious journey. And then there's the panoramic view of the stadium, a sight that truly takes your breath away. It's a sprawling expanse of manicured green, surrounded by a coliseum of seats, a sight that speaks of epic battles and victorious roars. A must-visit for football fans, but Madrid isn't done surprising you yet. Now we step into the world of contemporary art at the Reina Sofía Museum. This isn't just any museum. Oh no, it's home to a staggering collection of 20th century art, making it a must-visit for any modern art aficionado. Imagine walking through the hallways, surrounded by the works of artists who dared to see the world differently, who dared to challenge the status quo. One of the museum's most notable pieces is none other than Pablo Picasso's Guernica. A testament to the horrors of war, Guernica is a painting that resonates with viewers, invoking a profound sense of empathy and understanding. The Reina Sofía Museum is a testament to the power of art and the role it plays in society. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of brushstrokes, the vibrancy of colors and the depth of concepts. A modern art marvel. Let's finish our tour with a gastronomic delight. Finally, we arrive at the culinary hotspot of Madrid, the Mercado de San Miguel. This bustling market is a feast for the senses, brimming with an array of food stalls that offer everything you could ever imagine. From the freshest produce sourced from the surrounding regions to gourmet tapas that are as delightful to look at as they are to eat, the Mercado de San Miguel is a gastronomic delight. The market's vibrant atmosphere is absolutely infectious. As you wander through the aisles, you'll be captivated by the symphony of sights, sounds and smells that encapsulate the essence of Spanish cuisine. Whether you're a seasoned food connoisseur or a curious traveler looking to try something new, the joy of tasting various Spanish delicacies is an experience not to be missed. A foodie's paradise. And with that, we conclude our tour of Madrid, a city that truly has something for everyone.